Which type of food is mainly needed for building muscle? Protein. What organ cleans your blood and balances chemicals? Liver. Which nutrient helps carry oxygen in the blood? Iron. What is a common way to lower high blood pressure? Less salt. Which nutrient is the body's main source of quick energy? Carbohydrates. What is the main benefit of getting enough sleep? Stronger immune system. Which mineral is essential for healthy nerve and muscle function? Potassium. Which part of the eye is responsible for focusing light? Lens. Which type of fat is good for brain health? Omega-3 fatty acids. Which organ is the largest organ of the human body? Skin. What is the body's primary defense against infection? White blood cells. Which component of blood helps stop bleeding? Platelets. What organ is primarily used for breathing? Lungs. Which hormone lowers blood sugar levels? Insulin. Which organ helps control body temperature through sweat? Skin. What is the main control center of the nervous system? Brain. What liquid waste product do the kidneys produce? Urine. What is the common name for the trachea? Windpipe. What is the main job of your ribs? Protect internal organs. What is the purpose of hair on your head? Protect from heat and sun. Which body part connects muscle to bone? Tendon. Which sense organ is used for hearing and balance? Ear. Which part of the brain controls your memory and learning? Cerebrum. Which glands control your body's growth and metabolism? Thyroid. What hormone regulates your sleep-wake cycle? Melatonin. What is a doctor who treats the eyes called? Ophthalmologist. What type of doctor specializes in children's health? Pediatrician. Which doctor focuses on problems with the heart? Cardiologist. What is the waste gas that humans breathe out? Carbon dioxide. What is the most common cause of the common cold? Virus.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.